Hello, my name's Steve Milton, and my screencast is going to be on the shape I decided to do, and I decided to select a spore. So, just to start out, let's create a paragraph over here. This is a picture of a spore created with CSS. And we're just going to create a div that's going to handle this, and we'll give it an ID of spore. Okay. All right, so that's all we need for the HTML. Now for the CSS, the first thing we're going to do is just find the base image of the spore. Okay, so spore. And we'll do background color, we'll do orange. Orange. The width of it will be 80 pixels. The height will also be 80 pixels. So you notice the initial image is just a square. Okay, we're going to position this relative so that we can move it around, so it's not just sitting on the wall like that. So let's do it relative. We'll move it over 20 pixels. Yeah, 20 pixels. And we're going to do a text align to make sure it stays aligned within the box that it's in. And we want it centered. So we'll do centered. And we're going to give it a border radius so that we're going to round the corners to give us the spore-like image. And we'll do 10 pixels for that. All right, so that's our base image. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to define our image for the before and after. And this is going to be right on top of the current box. So let's do spore before. With our pseudo elements, and it'll be the same for the after. So we're going to have two images here of the same image, and we're going to rotate both of those to get the result that I'm looking for. All right, so same thing. First thing I'm going to do is content. So I'm just going to basically wipe out anything that may have been there before. And also, I think this is like a clear fix kind of thing as well. We're going to position these absolutely based on the original element above. So that's going to make sure it stays on the same axis as the original one. And we're going to put top 0. And put left to 0. This just to make sure it stays in the right position on the box that it currently is on. The height and weight is going to be, our height and width is going to be the same at the 80 pixels. Width 80 pixels. Then we're going to have the background again with the orange. So it's the same as the other ones. Image. And then the border radius once again will be 10 pixels. Alright, so that has defined those. So now I have the before and after images defined. Now I'm going to actually, so they're there, they're on the screen right now, they're just on top of the current images. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rotate each of these images 30 degrees so that it starts to give us our little spore-like attributes. So transform, rotate, 30 degrees. Okay, and we're going to do that's the before. Now we'll do an after image as well. And we're going to rotate that another 30 degrees. So it'll be a total of 60 degrees. So basically what this ends up being is 3 boxes rotated 30 degrees each to give us the effect of a spore. So that is my screencast. Thank you.